Hello everyone, this is James Dickerson with Keller Williams Realty Northeast at 20644 Lavon Lane off the golf course of Oakhurst Greens. Come over here and say hello. I'm doing an open house today. We're gonna go look inside in just a moment. But if you have any questions about real estate, feel free to reach out to me. My name is James Dickerson. My number is 281-883-8426. So feel free to give me a call at any time if you have any questions. Hey, you all have a great day. Continue to be unstoppable. And this home right here, you'll love it because I love it. It has high ceilings, and that's a good thing. Me being 6'8", it's kind of hard for me to find a house that I really like. Hey, you all have a great day. Thank you so very much.
Left side, not bad. But, as we get first down, RCB with another catch from the Chiefs again. Over to 18-yard line, I should say.